morning, Wasim here at Your Next Car, bringing you a quick walk around of this stunning F36 420 diesel Grand Coupe we have in. Presented in mineral grey, fitted with the Your Next Car styling pack, and these gorgeous MX competition style 20-inch staggered wheels. I'll give you a walk around, hoping you make an informed buying decision. It's a 2017 67 reg. It's a facelift model, LED headlights with the darker inserts, LED tail lights, LED fog lights, gloss grills, 3-piece splitter, 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres. Got the black decal down the side, gloss black sidebars, privacy glass to the rear spoiler and gloss diffuser. This one is still badged, we can debadge if you like. It's a one owner vehicle, done 33,000 miles with a full service history. Huge boot room. More potential with the folding seats as well. Conditions flawless, as you'd expect for a barely 3-year-old car with average mileage. Take a look at the inside. Black Dakota leather with the blue highlights. Sports automatic gearbox. Professional widescreen navigation. Usual media playback facility, so auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth phone and audio. Let's take a look at the service history then. Next oil changes during 7,000 miles or August next year. 21,000 was the last service. It's variable servicing on these vehicles, so different items at different times. Professional nav. 3 seats in the back. PCP, HP, up to 60 months. We work with a variety of major lenders, Santander, Motonova, Alfera, lots of others. Any queries, please call, email or message. Thank you.